Good morning, sir. This is John Lee Tupas from G2F-1, and me I discussing about the topics of recommended constructions of the watertight bulkheads and ship as per SOLAS regulations. SOLAS regulations recommend construction watertight bulkhead with steel plating and vertical stiffeners, ensuring they extend to the bulk, head, deck, and still without step or recesses. Watertightness is maintained through proper sealing, including crew type and gland packing or chemical cells. The collusion bulkheads are a crucial type should be positioned within specific percentage of the shift length from the forward perpendicular, which are the key constructions elements like watertight plating, vertical stiffener, tank top and bottom plating, watertight doors, ceiling, and also we have a SOLAS requirements, which is collision bulkheads, bulkhead deck opening restrictions, door operations, addition, and so on. And that is my topic, sir, is entitled recommended constructions of watertight bulkheads and ships as per SOLAS regulations. This is John Lee Tupas from G2F-1. Thank you.